When we observe the character of Lord Krishna in scientific manner, we find that there are so many characteristics in his character which enable us to treat him as an ideal quantum system. Firstly, you should know that Lord Krishna was a yogi. He is also called Yogeshwar Krishna. Due to hard practice of yoga, a person becomes dimensionless, just like a point. And you know, a quantum system is a particle which is almost dimensionless, which is very small in size. So, we may say that due to hard practice of yoga, Krishna was just a dimensionless person, and so he may be treated as a quantum system. But this is just a philosophy. I would like to develop a potential created by this system, that is Lord Krishna, which will prove in scientific manner or in mathematical way how we can treat Lord Krishna as an ideal quantum system. Do you know what the word Krishna means? It means one who attracts. The Western scientists have coined the word like black body as synonymous to Krishna. So, we can say that Lord Krishna produces an attractive potential. And if the potential created by Lord Krishna is attractive, what should be its mathematical model? We can imagine two potentials. First one is an attractive central potential. An attractive central potential. You know, an attractive central potential in one dimension is given as V of x equal to minus some constant over x. It means V of x is inversely proportional to x. We will see that this potential is not suitable to characterize the potential created by Lord Krishna, as this potential refers that when x will tend to infinity, then V of x will be 0. But for any finite value of x, if x is finite, then V of x is not 0. And this is not suitable, as we will see in the another model which I would like to associate with the potential created by Lord Krishna. Actually, I think another attractive potential, which is called attractive delta function potential. I think this potential will be more suitable or mathematically best to represent the potential created by Lord Krishna. So another potential which I think can be associated with the potential created by Lord Krishna should be attractive delta function potential. Attractive delta function potential. How this potential is defined? This put in one dimension. For simplicity, I am taking one dimensional form of the potential. V of x is defined as minus lambda delta of x. In this equation, this function delta of x is what? You know, it is Dirac delta function centered at x equal to 0. This is Dirac delta function centered at x equal to 0. And the another parameter lambda. This lambda is what? This is actually a positive parameter. Positive parameter which measures the strength of the potential. The strength of the potential. We know from the property of delta function centered at x equal to 0, delta of x, this is infinity at x equal to 0, and this equals to 0, that is, it falls abruptly to 0 when x deviates from this value 0. X is not 0. So, accordingly, what will be the potential? V of x will be in fact minus infinity when x is equal to 0. And otherwise, when x is not 0, then its value is 0. See the graphical plot of this potential. We see that when x is 0, potential tends to minus infinity, and when x is either positive or negative, then this potential abruptly falls to 0. Actually, the shape of this graph refers that this potential is infinitely deep square well potential with 0 width. But one thing we should take care of: don't confuse x with physical distance measured in meter or centimeter. X is not physical distance. As in usual quantum mechanics, x refers physical distance, but here x is not physical distance. You may define this x. This is actually our mental distance from the source of potential, that is Lord Krishna. So this is not physical distance measured in meter, it is our mental distance. Mental distance from the source of potential. And here source of potential is what? Lord Krishna is the source of potential. Potential, that is Lord Krishna. When a person is highly spiritual, or you may say when a person makes a room in the heart of Lord Krishna, then x will be equal to 0. And you may say that person is in the heart of Lord Krishna, x is 0, and when x is 0, the person will find himself in a potential V equal to minus infinity. But if a person is not in the heart of Lord Krishna, and how we will in the heart of Lord Krishna? By high practice of yoga, by high practice of worship and the good manners. So when x is not 0, then we know this potential abruptly falls to 0. It means we are not in the field of the potential created by Lord Krishna. And what this infinite potential refers? We know if the potential means potential energy is minus infinity, this refers in fact a highly stable system. Highly stable or bonded system. Stable or bonded system. Such a person who is in the heart of the Lord Krishna finds himself in a potential of minus infinity. He will be highly stable or completely bound. It means such a person is free from all the anxieties of the external world. And This is in fact not physics, but you may compare, may take an analogy. If mathematically I would like to set up time independent Schrodinger equation to find the energy eigenvalue and eigenfunction, what we should do? We can treat in fact Lord Krishna as a point charge, that is a positive point charge. Lord Krishna, we treat a positive point charge, and at the same time a person who is highly spiritual person may be treated as an electron, and in this condition there will be actually two regions. In region 1 we take the negative value of x, and in region 2 we will take positive value of x, and this is in fact potential V of x. In this region, if the wave function is psi1 and in another region it is psi2, as potential in both of the regions, because potential is non-zero, that is infinity at x equal to 0, and it is 0 when x is either less than 0 or greater than 0, that is either negative or positive. In both regions V is 0. Since potential is 0 in both regions, so time independent Schrodinger equation for both of these two regions will be same. And what will be that equation? Time independent Schrodinger's equation, TISE. What will be this time independent equation for this? Let us treat the highly spiritual person just like an electron, and the Lord Krishna just like a positive point charge, and that person is affected by the potential created by the Lord Krishna, and that potential is actually the Dirac delta function attractive potential, that is V of x equal to minus lambda delta of x, as I have defined above. Now V is 0 in both regions. So form of Schrodinger equation will be same in both regions, and what will be that? And that will be equal to d2 psi dx square plus 2m over h cross square e psi equal to 0. And we may take a constant k defined as k equal to root over 2me over h cross square. In that condition, the above equation will be what? That will be d2 psi dx square plus k square psi equal to 0. And solution of this equation after applying the appropriate boundary condition may be given as psi of x equal to root over k e to the power kx, and this is for a region 1, that is x less than 0, and this equal to root over k e to the power minus kx for a region 2, that is x greater than 0. So we may see that the eigenfunction or wave function in both of the regions decreases exponentially with x. If we plot psi of x in against of x, the graphical plot will be like this, and nature of eigenfunction in both regions are same. So we may say that there is only one eigenfunction, Similarly, we can also calculate this energy eigenvalue, and energy eigenvalue, this is in fact found as E equal to minus m lambda square over 2h cross square. This is the energy eigenvalue. What we see, there is only one eigenfunction, one eigenvalue. So we say that number of bond state is equal to 1. And what it refers, if the bond state is 1, what this refers? Actually, this refers when you are in the heart of Lord Krishna, you are bonded, you are free from all the external influence of this physical world. And this is a very hard work to be in this state. But ideally, we can say a person who is highly spiritual will have only one bond state, and it will exist when he is in the potential field of the Lord Krishna, and that potential is effective only when you are mentally in the heart of Lord Krishna, you make a room in his heart.